Step 1. Switch on power supply. Connect air pipe. Plug in the power. Turn on the power switch to the right. You can see yellow indicator light of power will light up, so the machine can normally run now. Connect the air pipe to filter, then turn connector switch to right. It will display air pressure range is 0.4到 0.6 兆帕. That is okay. Step 2. How to wind the label on rollers. Take down label tray. Put label roll into the roller. Label need to keep upwards. Compress label roll and lock handle. Then start to wind the label. The label wind on rollers one by one. Then the label passes through the gap of label sensor to traction device. To loosen traction device, winding label passes through the gap between two rollers of traction device. Then winding label passes through label peeling plate. Come back the traction device and pass through it again. Must turn right and drop locking the handle of traction device. The release paper of label wind on recycling device and drop lock it. Step 3. How to set up the label sensor. Move the label sensor to make the label on the focus of the sensor. Press and hold T sign. You will see green and yellow lights flicker. Move the sensor up and down to pass through the gap between two labels for 3 or 5 times. Then press down T sign. Only the green will light on when the sensor focuses on label. When passed through the gap of two labels, the green and yellow lights will light on together, so the label sensor setup successful. Enter home page. Click manual operation. Drag label, drag click, drag label. Test one label, click once, peeling out one label. Drag rotation, drag click, drag rotation. Pressing product cylinder, make the product auto-rotate. Eject cylinder, auto-eject product after labeling. Click Parameter Setting. Manual label speed, manual operation speed. Auto label speed, running for labeling speed. Manual labeling speed is same as manual label speed. Detect product time need not for setting. Labeling time, product delay time for labeling. Other parts need not for setting. Click Production page, the normal running show, the 5 parts of green mark. Then click Start button to run for labeling. Click Troubleshoot, will show red parts are working, other parts need not working.